Beach, I hope you know how to put this back.
You don't.
Ah! Fuck you talking about? Fuck you talking about? Fuck you about?
Don't make me punch you in the fucking dick. Now figure out how to put the dip back in.
Oh, guess what?
No.
You can't.
Oh my god.
Now you gotta take it out.
Alright, so I'm back. I'm about to get to it and work on this transmission. I brought some more tools today, so I should be able to complete it. Let's get it.
So, first I check the back of it up.
Also, my classmates, they're working on a transaction, so we gonna see a little bit of that too.
The whole thing so we know how it is. Have it?
Oh, God.
Wait.
I have to do a Zoom with me, so I can't fuck up.
It's not. You got fiber with you.
Wait.
This is the shop. That's the shop that goes over. I don't know. I remember last time, you know how their class they had the whole shaft out. The whole shaft was out. Come on, man. Yeah, you're gonna need a wrench for that.
19.
Joni. I'm stealing his shit.
So we working on
That ain't a 19.
So we're working it out.
He's here.
I was waiting for you, bro.
Yeah, I was waiting for you. I had to use that, the socket.
Beach, I hope you know how to put this back.
Yeah, yo, if y'all need us, we got him ready.
Yeah.
Yo, we got him ready.
Man, come on.
It's part of the job. How are you gonna work? How are you gonna be a mechanic and I get hit?
Literally.
I got like a couple of
You're over here singing JB.
What if we missed a crucial part?
Hey, man.
You gotta take these off.
That's what I'm saying. You know how to put that shit back together, man?
Yeah, I took this apart.
Alright, well, we need you.
When you take it apart, lift this, put this like that, take these two by the handle, and then like towards this.
CV to the rescue.
They took it apart before we took it out.
Yeah, should have never took shit off.
Oh yeah, I'm putting it back together. I mean, it looks pretty
No,
good.
we're putting it back together. Yo, Chris, where did this bearings?
The bearing side where you're about to place it.
This one.
Yep,
You sure?
positive.
Chris, fix it.
You see?
Chris actually
I'm not judging you.
Chris actually
judging you.
Bro, I literally did this.
You gotta put this.
No, isn't it?
Don't fix it.
A bear.
It's a snap ring?
That's the stop. No, that goes right here. This goes all the way on the top, right?
Yeah.
All the way on top.
Yeah. I was the technician here that like did the other technician. I said I was the technician A that did the computer shit.
I'm not grabbing a fucking
Jessica and Sean.
Just twist that shit
I let the loader technicians do it. I was like, yeah, they got
There you go.
But hey, it worked out.
Relax, spot you.
Pull up into the left. Pull up into Chris.
Dude, the Dominican one.
I'm saying like
We got fucking how many students? How many do you think is Dominican?
like I was you. The gym, you know, it's like 185.
This
Right.
is
Bring it up, it's 185.
the teller works.
Bring it up, bring it up.
You only get that action if the teller works.
The mechanical will see.
Same thing with this now.
Ball bearing.
Find out if it's nice.
Oh, you're supposed to take it out right now.
No, you don't take this out. You don't take that out.
Huh?
What about this?
Say what?
You say don't take this out?
You don't take that. You don't take that.
Uh-oh.
Unless you want
Hater
You don't
alert.
take this out.
Hater alert.
You don't take that out.
You gonna take it out though? Watch. He gonna take it out though. I knew.
We didn't take that out.
Dude, I literally did what?
That's a differential.
I picked it up. Why would you not take it out? That's why fiber's fiber.
Me not listening.
Why do you have that in your head?
Because he said,
Because he does.
he said, oh.
Because he'd rather what?
Is that a torch?
The Statue of Liberty.
Oh, well, don't let it come apart.
He'd rather
I was
play
thinking
with
of-
shit.
I was
than
thinking
He
of-
told me to hold it, bro.
I was thinking a stick grenade, but you know.
Oh, stick
It
grenade.
really does. Kind of looks like a
does
potato
look like
masher.
a grenade.
When it gets
That was the only stipulation I made.
Make sure he's still lined up.
Put it back together again so that it comes out as a unit.
I knew it. Turn that selector on. This one. What are you holding? Yes.
And now they
Turn it around. Put it in.
That's heavy, bro.
Ah! Fuck you talking about? Fuck you talking about? Fuck you about?
Now figure out how to put the dip back in.
Oh, guess what?
No.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Now you gotta take it out. No, you don't. No.
Alright. So I'm gonna see if I can get this one extracted because all of the three are on there and I could use some. This one is rounded off.
Let me live. Let me live.
Let you live. You're going to be working on a car. I'm going to let you live?
Yeah, let me live.
Why are you let your phone see what you're doing?
It does see what I'm doing. It does see. Yeah, not the extractor is on. But just hold it. I'm about to.
You're so scared.
W. W. Yup. Not that shit. Yup. I come back today. I'm getting that shit.
Good shit.
I'm getting that shit.
Good shit.
Yeah, that one too? Yeah, that was the only one that was fucking straight. Good shit. Yo.
shit was seized in this, bro. You're gonna have to put some. Hold on. Let's put some PB Blast in there.
Oh my.
Yeah, put some PB Blast in there. Let's scrape it. Hold on. Wait.
Everything is BB blast. What happened?
When you're dealing with shit like this, you kind of do.
You had a sink throw upside down.
So you see, this is why.
You just slide
That's
in.
what we were.
Some more pivot to it and just slide in. Take it right out. That'd probably be the best way. It looks crusted on it.
Crush the ceiling and then like reach and pick around.
The screwdriver would have worked.
Here's
Yeah.
again, you have a, all right, so,
This one.
let's go. All right, so here's the deal. So again, we have what? Metal, a steel seal. And again, we have what? Aluminum case. So,
The reaction.
galvanic reaction every friggin' time.
Why did BMW do this?
BMW didn't, ZF did.
Why did ZF do this?
Because he's European.
I like that answer.
We're gonna get it. The goal. And now that side is gonna start to slowly rise up.
I can't get it.
Where? Like on the bottom
The
right?
bottom. Try to get the bottom and break the friction. There we go. No, okay. So guess what? Now you come on. You should be able to get something in here. Actually, you can tap on that side. This side is starting to rise up.
So tap on it more or put some.
Yes, tap on it. There you go. You're welcome.
My go!
On top all over.
My go! For this one,
We didn't do any what?
any damage.
Because you didn't actually hit on the case of this transition. You, give him a hand. I used to have a big brass punch, which really would work better.
Yes, it's going in. You getting this, dog?
I'm getting it. It's got the new ceiling. Because money, that old seal was kicked on there to the point we thought the project was over. But Mr. Gregory with his tricks up his sleeve. Something. Look at that. Cool. Yeah, it was done, bro. We thought that was
You brought that, you knew what?
Yeah, new ceiling.
That's the new seal. Brand spanking new. Look at that.
Sir.
My boy Moses.
Come on, let's go. Alright, so we cooked up, we got these two D10s out, and we got the input shaft sealed in and on. So we did some stuff, but I'm gonna have to order a magnet to be able to get in these holes, and then literally it's just 1, 2, 3. See? The magnets we have, they don't fit, so it's just gonna be 1, 2, 3. Once we have the magnets, so I'm about to order that. Probably get it like Monday or Tuesday, and yeah, we're gonna be on and popping. Meanwhile, look at these hoodlums over here.
I'm back to the class.
Alright, my boy.